What's going on, guys? It's Jordan with the Brantford Exchange, and today I just want to make a very quick video going over the main essential things that you'll need before you actually start trading stocks. So first and foremost, and the most obvious, you're going to need to open up an account with the brokerage company of your choice. What we encourage for new investors is with Robinhood. So Robinhood, you can get it on your phone, you can get it on your desktop. All you need to do is just type in Robinhood, and it'll come up with something that looks like this. On the desktop, all you need to do is just hit the sign up tab. And then on the smartphone, I believe it has a similar screen, but it'll just say like register or sign up. And then you just do the same steps as you would on a desktop. So we encourage you guys to use Robinhood, especially if you're new to investing, because it's very easy to use, very user friendly. And most importantly, it doesn't hit you with any buy and sell fees. So what I mean by that is when you buy a stock, a lot of brokerages like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade will hit you with like a $5 to $10 fee. And then when you sell a stock, it'll hit you with another $5 to $10 fee. That's how they make their money. So with Robinhood, they managed to avoid all those fees. Therefore, it's free for you guys to use and buy and sell stocks. So if you have a low value account, this would be your best option, and this would be your best bet to save money and keep on growing your account. So that's why we want to emphasize and encourage that you guys use Robinhood, especially if you're new to investing. And then second, what you need to do is, because with Robinhood, like I said, it's great, but it's not so great if you want to analyze stocks. Going back to this screen, as you see on the phone, that's pretty much the most in-depth it'll go on the charting. They just updated it so it has like candlesticks, but as far as charting goes, you can't do technical analysis with that. So that's where we want to go over to the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. All you need to do, you can't access this on your phone because obviously your phone screen would be too small to handle such like a big, and everything would be way too tiny on your cell phone. So you do need to have a laptop or desktop for this. All you need to do is just type in the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform downloader, or just go to the website. And normally it'll open it up on the innovation tab. So it'll look something like this. You could just go right over to the trading tab, and then right here says download Thinkorswim. So the great thing with this is that you do not need to fund an account with TD Ameritrade or make trades just to use their trading platform and technical analysis to get all the charts and so on and so forth. So like I said, you do not need to fund an account to use this. All you need to do is just register an account with them, and then you get full access to the Thinkorswim platform. So this is where we perform our technical analysis. You could research stocks. It gives you a whole bunch of studies to use, which we'll make a video on all the settings and how to use it and so on and so forth. So we're going to do our technical analysis on the Thinkorswim platform, and then jump over to Robinhood is where we're going to execute the trade and actually have our money in there, you know, the funding of the account, and that's where we're going to put in the buy and sell orders. So lastly, this is just one of the big things that a lot of people have trouble with. Even though it might not seem the most important, you need to have the mindset for success while trading stocks. And one of the main things is that you cannot become emotionally attached with your account. So what I mean by that is, if you're down, say 10% on your account, you can't think of that and like beat yourself up over it. You have to always just come up with new ways to keep moving forward, because everybody's going to be down on a position. But when you see that dollar amount and you're like, oh, I'm down like $500 or this and that, you can't think of it as, you know, as weird as it sounds, you can't think of it as like, I'm down $500. Always think of things as percentages, because if you're up 10% on $1 million account, or if you're up 10% on a $100 account, it's the same. You're up 10%. Your portfolios are performing the same way. Doesn't matter what the dollar amount is that you're getting from it. So that's pretty much what I mean by having the mindset for success. You do not want to become emotionally attached with your account. It is simply for business. Just think of it as business. You want to keep growing it, and you will have setbacks, but you have to find ways to overcome them. So that's pretty much it. Those are the essential things that you need before you start trading. The links for all that will be in the description below, so you guys can just download the Robinhood and the Thinkorswim platform. And then remember what I just said about the mindset for success. You have to be really dedicated to this stuff. You have to really have a passion for it. And I believe when you guys start seeing profits, you really will come accustomed to a passion for it and really enjoy trading stocks. As tedious it might be and sometimes boring, once you start seeing the returns, I guarantee you will fall in love with it. So, like I said, short video today. Those are the essentials. Remember to follow us on all of our social medias, and then the Discord link will be in the description below where you can talk to Cole and I, and we can help you with your trades. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.